Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are diving into the month of June for Capricorn. So we will be covering theme of month, love and relationship, career, finance, guidance, and also what is the blockage and how can you overcome it or what lesson it holds. Let's dive right into it. Take a deep breath in with me and set your intention. Let's see what's in store for Capricorn. Okay. I'll be using my Thought Tarot deck. It helps me dive into the subconscious as well. You have been enjoying isolation a lot. You have been loving it. This hermit mode you are in, it's been fun for you. You have learned a lot about yourself. You have found a lot of hobbies, a lot of different things about yourselves, that you're creative as well. So you have learned a lot. However, you this month you need to sit with the pain or the sense of loss which you have been avoiding, and this sense of loss needs to be l- released in some way, because you feel oppressed by this sense of loss, you feel restricted by this sense of loss. And once you start taking actions towards releasing it, by either by meditation or journaling or mirror work, breath work, anything that works for you, you will see a change in your life, 180-degree change altogether. Let's see what's in store for you in terms of love life. Those who are single, those who are committed. Single, committed. Clarity card for committed. Okay. All right. So those who are single, you are embracing your fire energy. You are embracing that you want to be out there. You want to find someone. You want to you love love, but you also are very ambitious and goal oriented, so you won't let any of that hamper your growth. It's very important for you to understand that you hamper your growth a lot more times than people do. And those who are committed, I see relationship falling apart. To be very honest, I see that either you have betrayed them or they have betrayed you, your partner. How it's just emotionally it has been this was coming already, the distance, the outgrowing, and then not being loyal, probably most likely, and the relationship just coming to its completion. So that is what I see for you. uh, Probably that is where you need to sit with yourself, and that is where you feel oppressed and you need to work through it. That is why you were in isolation for so long. Now that we know career, wow, okay. All right, in career, I see that things are going according to your plan, everything is in a flow, everything is making sense. There is just need for you to listen to your intuition when you're taking decisions. Do not take decisions by delaying them. Instead, take decisions intuitively, instinctively. That is very important for you. I'll pull a guidance for you to give a closure to this reading, and then we can look into the blockage and what is the lesson or outcome. I am on an ever-changing journey. My life is never stuck or static or stale, for each moment is new and fresh. Every ending is a new point of beginning. So all of this is ending and see it as a new beginning. I know it's very difficult, but it's okay. We can look into the blockage now. Let's see how can you work on the blockage and what blockage is there. The blockage is that you tend to not take leap. you don't dive into the depths of it, and you question yourself a lot. There is a lot of self-doubt right now. That is what I see. And to it's important for you to find that inner strength to take the leap. Trust yourself. Whether you'll fall or you succeed, you have got yourself. You've got your back. So I hope this reading resonates. And if you have any question, feel free to get in touch with me on Instagram. Link to my Instagram is in description box below. And stay tuned by subscribing to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.